At this time of year, you really start to notice your gardens coming to life with birds, butterflies and bees. So I'm here at the Potted Gardens wildlife area to show you some easy ways to welcome that wildlife into your outdoor space. Why don't we go take a look? Bird feeders are a simple yet effective way of bringing birds into your garden. And with so many different styles to choose from, with lots of different seeds, you can really bring that chorus of birds into your garden with ease. Another simple yet effective way of creating space for those critters is for creating bug hotels. You can do it yourself by using old crates and logs with some old pots and really create an environment that they will like to live in. Or we do actually sell them here already made for ease. Another good way of helping the wildlife is by allowing a part of your garden to completely rewild itself. Lots of our native species of wildlife actually benefit massively from the food source created by these plants. So you've got the seeds for birds in the autumn and the nectar from flowering plants for the bees and the butterflies. And finally, you can actually put some beneficial plants in your garden, like this buddleia, also known as the butterfly bush for good reason. When it's out in flower, those highly scented blooms are a great food source for butterflies, and it will be absolutely covered in them. I do hope that you've learnt something from this video and that you can implement some of it into your own garden. I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.